Assalamualaikum students. I hope that all of you are doing fine. I'm your instructor Sana Chaudhary. This is the third or last lecture of week 3rd, and in this week we started chapter number 3, which is system software. We learned about software, hardware, difference between software and hardware, types of software. We also discussed operating system, and in previous we discussed about functions of operating system. Students, before going to start today's lecture, I'll explain the remaining functions of operating system, and then we will move to our new topic, which is parts of operating system. So, multitasking. An operating system, each and every computer require multitasking because it helps to save time. An operating system that allow a single user to perform more than one task at a time is called multitasking. For example, Microsoft Windows 2000 and Microsoft Windows 2003 is an example of operating system. An operating system that can make it easy to multitask. The operating system lets user use several devices. User can use several devices and work on several applications program at the same time. So this is multitasking. This was all about operating systems functions. Okay, this is our today's topic, component of operating system. There are many components of operating system. We will learn about 3 of them. First one is loader. Okay, the loader is an important part of the operating system. The loader loads all program and instruction from backup storage to the main memory. Once the program have been loaded, the user can start working on them. The instructions are followed by computer to perform the task required by the user. Instructions, what are students, what are instructions? Instructions that we user give to computer to perform some specific task, and computer follow these instruction in order to perform a task according to our requirement. The loader also activate other devices and components. So the main function of the loader is to load all program and instruction from backup storage, from backup memory to main memory. This is the main function of loader. Okay, second part or components of operating system is program and instructions. The operating system contains several programs that can be run on computer, and the operating system also contain instructions that the computer can follow to run the program. So students, what are instructions? Instructions are input statements, data that we can give user to perform some specific task. And program are set of instructions written in computer language, instructions that we can give in our language, and when we translate those instructions into computer language, these instruction will become a program. Okay, in your book, as you can see, page number 31, another heading is given in program and instruction, device drivers. So, device driver, a program that automatically run the system devices attached to the computer. What is device driver? Device driver is a program. Device driver is a type of system software that automatically run the system devices. Which devices? System devices attached to the computer. The device drivers run the devices that are attached to the computer. These devices are installed through drivers. The device manager display a list of devices and tell the user whether their drivers are updated or not. If the driver is missing, it has to be installed. You can access the device manager by clicking on devices and printers in the start menu. So students, this was all about today's lectures. I hope things are clear. Please note down your diary for today. Question number 1 and question number 2 is your homework and test. Thank you so much.